Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we're going to learn how to fold the perfect plate, and if you're new here, do well to like and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. So for this tutorial we're going to be using an Ankara fabric. This has already been cut into semicircular flea. It's not a full flea. This is 180 instead of 360-degree flea. So now we're going to fold the tip part of the material. I'm using 1 inch. Fold these tip parts of the material and place it under the presser foot, and then we'll start sewing. With the nature of how flea is, it's not straight, so you can't just be sewing straight. If it's a straight, you can just fold straight and everything is good, but since it's flea, you have to take pauses to fold the material in a very special way. And after folding, you are going to have a little puff here. You can either fold it to the left or to the right, and then you keep sewing on top of it. You keep doing that way repeatedly, folding here on straight line too as well. Look at this aspect. There's a little gap at this side I'm tapping on, and then you just fold it. I'm folding mine to myself and then sew on top of it. We're going to repeat the same thing for the second sleeve. This is the second sleeve. That was the first one that we were folding at first. This is the second sleeve. So we're going to attach this to a gown, a black gown, as an upcycled fashion.